Hey guys, welcome to Kichdi Cooks. Today in our kitchen we are going to see 3 super healthy meals which can ideally be your breakfast, lunch and dinner option. It is similar to a what I eat in a day video, but it's not vlog style. Instead I'm going to focus on the recipes. This is not what I eat on a daily basis, but on days when I feel I want to have something super healthy, I just go for these recipes. Now without further ado, let's get started. Every day I make sure that I have at least 2 glasses of hot cumin water early in the morning. There are so many benefits of drinking cumin water every day. It internally cleanses your body and it also strengthens your circulatory and the digestive system. After an hour of having cumin water, I have my breakfast. And for our breakfast, we're going to have a super fancy and super simple avocado toast. This is one of my favorite breakfasts that I have most of the days. Eggs are super nutrient rich and I make sure I have at least one a day. To a hot pan, I'm adding some butter and let's toast some bread slices. Today I'm using a sourdough bread. You can also switch it with a whole grain bread. Adding some more butter to make it a little bit crispy. Our bread is now nice and toasted. To poach our eggs, I'm adding a tablespoon of vinegar to hot water. When you see tiny bubbles, let's make a whirl and drop in 1 egg at a time. I prefer to do 1 egg at a time because sometimes they combine together. Let's set the timer for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes our eggs will be completely poached. If you want your egg to be completely done, you can set the timer for 5 minutes. I want the yellow to be little bit on the runnier side, so I prefer to set the timer for 3 minutes. I'm poaching another egg for my husband. Now this is almost ready. The eggs are beautifully done and it's time to plate our sandwich. I have guacamole here. The recipe for this will be linked below. You can just mash your avocados and use plain avocados. Applying a good amount of avocado to our toast. Adding some arugula. You can also switch it with spinach. Adding in our poached eggs. Let's garnish with some salt and pepper. Here I am plating one more toast with a slight variation. I'm making a arugula bed and seasoning it with some salt and pepper. Let's top it with a lot of avocados. Avocados are super rich in good fats. They're also rich in fiber and potassium. This breakfast is super filling and super healthy. And for lunch, we're going to make a super tasty lunch bowl, which is Oats Kichdi. To start with, I'm adding a teaspoon of ghee to a hot pan. Once the ghee melts, let's add in around a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of peppercorns. Let's add few curry leaves. Adding in around 2 green chilies. Let's add around a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Adding in around 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. You can also skip the onion here. Let's saute this nicely. Today we are going to use oats to make the kichdi. Also switch it with quinoa, it will taste still good. Adding in around 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Let's cook until the tomatoes turn soft. Adding in around 1/4 cup of soaked moong dal. I have soaked it for 3 hours in a boiling water, so that the moong dal gets cooked very easily. Adding in some salt. Adding in around 1/2 cup of water. Now let's cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, let's add in our veggies, adding in some carrots and some beans. You can add your preferred veggies. Adding in a teaspoon of turmeric and around 1 cup of rolled oats. Adding around 1.5 cups of water here. This kichdi is loaded with fiber from the oats and the vegetables, which aids in weight loss. Now adding in few pieces of broccoli. Let's cook it for 8 to 10 minutes in a medium flame. Garnishing with some cilantro and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Our kichdi is now ready to be served. Make sure you don't overcook your vegetables, it might lose its nutrients. This is definitely a must try, one pot and super healthy recipe, guys. My words cannot make justice for this recipe, guys. Definitely try this out and let me know. You can have this with some pickle or yogurt on the side. And for the dinner time, we're going to have a big bowl of salad. To start with, I'm going to add around 1 cup of chopped lettuce, 1 cup of chopped cucumber, adding in around 1 de-seeded and chopped tomato, adding in around half cup of chopped capsicum, adding in around 1 cup of steamed corn. Let's add around 2 boiled eggs that have been chopped roughly. Let's give it up a quick mix. You can also swap the eggs with paneer or soya. This salad serves 2 people very easily. Now for our dressing, we are adding around 2 cloves of garlic and half chopped avocados. Adding in around 5 cashew nuts, 1 green chili, some salt, and around 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's grind this into a smooth paste. Our dressing is now ready. Let's mix our dressing with the salad. This salad is best when it's served chilled. So I make this in the evening and have it for dinner. Our salad is now ready to be enjoyed. If you guys like these type of videos, please let me know in the comment section so I can make more of these videos. See you soon with another recipe.